think it's time to look for a new bike. People always tell me that I look really good on the street bike. This is not a joke. We're looking for a new bike, and I just don't know what to pick yet. But do I want to go back to a road glide? I don't know. Maybe. That could be it. I've always wanted a street bike. If I'm gonna choose between Teal Thunder and that olive steel, I think I'm going with the olive. It's December. We're at Bergen Harley Davidson, and I think it's time to look for a new bike. Yeah, so we're gonna take a walk around. This is not a joke. We're looking for a new bike, and I just don't know what to pick yet. So Sergio today is gonna be helping me out. I'm not gonna get it today. I came in here to look at what I like and what I see. And obviously I wanna do something different that we haven't done on the channel before. And it's almost Christmas, so. Now there's also a few bikes in here for the 2026 model, so I might be able to show you guys some of the new colors and see if we like them or not in person. And then there's a ton of 25 still on the floor. Let's just take a walk to see what we like. I think it might be time for a street glide. I made a video about a week ago talking about the bikes that I would buy, and this was on that tier list and that option. I've always been a fan of the street glide. I had a road glide before, but the street glide is something nice about it, man. And it just rides so smooth, very comfortable. Something different that I haven't had either. Street glide could be an option, who knows? Can we show them the new blood orange? Because I actually like this blood orange, and very similar to the King of the Baggers race bikes with that paint job. This one has a chrome option, so you get it with the chrome or get it with the black option as well. Can we do a road glide? I mean, I had the outgoing model road glide, and this new one is like 10 times better. I love the handlebars in here because they're like super adjustable as well. And if you didn't want to change the riser setup, just keep this. Comes with all the tech you need. A lot of power, a lot of tech. And the screen is beautiful. But do I want to go back to a road glide? I don't know.
Part of a new deal. The two sides of
Maybe. Road glide could be it. Is it time to see me back on a road glide? Again? Oh. This is the new color. Olive. It's like something olive though, right? Name of it? I think I got it right here. We'll look it up. It's called Olive Steel Metallic. Now, am I gonna get a Fat Boy? No, I'm not gonna tell you guys here, hey, I might be getting a Fat Boy. Beautiful bike, gorgeous bike. Is it for me? No, but it's a really cool bike. I gotta tell you which ones I like better because this color right here, Teal Thunder, is really nice. Another street glide. Teal Thunder's nice. But I think if I'm gonna choose between Teal Thunder and that olive steel, I think I'm going with the olive.
I'm gonna go the opposite.
Really? You like this one better?
The pinstripe stands out so much better on the teal than it does on the olive.
It does. You're right about that. It does look really nice.
Where it's a little too subtle on the green olive.
Yeah, I think if the pinstripe would have been a different color, and that would have looked much better. But if I'm picking between both of these, I'm thinking I'm picking that one because it's just more subtle. I think you can kind of do a little bit more with it. This is beautiful, man. Look at this. How do we look on a street glide? People always tell me that I look really good on a street glide. More than a road glide. I said that it looks much more fitting. Street glide or road glide? Street glide or road glide? Where the street bob's at? Let's look at the street bob. And no Heritages?
Sold out.
You guys sold out of Heritages? Not even 25 models?
All gone.
What? Yo, the Heritage, I keep telling you guys, it's like picking up steam, man. I think more and more people are kind of liking the Heritage more. Could it be a Street Bob? Could it be a Nightster? No. Not a Nightster, not for me. I've always wanted a Street Bob.
I've had two of them.
Oh, that's right. This is nice. I took this bike out when we did that ride out in Texas, and what a joy I had on that bike, man. So bare minimum, super raw, and there's like so much you could do with this bike. Could be a Street Bob. Can we do another Lowrider S? I would just say it. I wouldn't do a Lowrider S because I already had a Lowrider S. And the Lowrider C, I have one. So it wouldn't be that. So we can't do this. We can't do that. No, we're not going to do a breakout.
Come on, why not?
No, because a breakout's not for me, man. Cool bike, but no, not for me. Kudos to the people who love it. I gotta be honest with you guys. I'm gonna sit here and lie to you and tell you, yeah, I love this bike. It's not for me. Not for me at all. If you were getting a bike today, what would you pick?
Lowrider ST.
Ah. And what color? Ooh,
Brilliant red.
yeah?
Or actually, the 26, I'm really excited to see that blue. The denim.
I'm actually in love with the brilliant red. The red looks nice, and then the steel, the green, the olive steel.
The
Is it
more
all steel?
pictures I see of it, because it's all green, not two-tone, I don't know if I could do all that green.
Mm.
If
What do you-
it was two-tone, for sure. But
What do you have upstairs?
bunch of used.
Can we see them?
Yeah.
That blood orange really looks cool.
You know what it reminds me of?
Like, I really like it.
Play-Doh.
Oh, like the actual Play-Doh?
Actual Play-Doh.
Yeah. That is funny. Damn, you guys have a lot of used bikes up here. All right. I mean, I'm not gonna get a used bike. It needs to be new. But there is a lot of, you guys got a lot of new used bikes. I was here like a while ago and you guys didn't have anything.
Everyone's trading in for 25.
Damn. Okay. But we do have a sea of street glides right here. So if anybody's looking for a street glide and they're all blacked out, street glides and road glides all over the place. A lot of used inventory.
The Lowrider ST with 260 miles on it.
Which one, the black one?
Yeah. And that password.
Who traded this back in?
Guy bought it,
Bike is beautiful.
and then was uncomfortable. He said his knees were too high.
Probably a tall guy.
Yep.
Always tell people, the taller guys, the Lowrider C, gonna be a little cramped in it, man. It's not for you. You're gonna have to get forward controls. But it's literally probably the best paint job for 2025. Those flames, those ghost flames are beautiful. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm gonna be getting. We're getting a bike soon. We're getting to start a new project. It's gonna be a 2026 project. I'm excited, and I want to do something different. So drop your thoughts in your comments down below. What do you think I'm gonna be getting? Hopefully within the next few weeks or so, we can make this move and kind of make things happen. Yeah, that's it. If you are in the local area and you're looking for a new bike or used bike, you want to stop by, look at this pretty face right here. That's your guy right there. Shout out to Sergio. Shout out to Bergen County. And it's almost Christmas, baby. Let's go.